Let's learn about multiplicative and additive inverses using 1/2 as our example. Let's start with the multiplicative inverse. The multiplicative inverse of a number is the value that, when multiplied by the original number, gives us 1. Let's visualize this with 1/2. Here's 1/2. What number do we need to multiply by 1/2 to get 1? Let's see what happens when we multiply 1/2 by 2. 1/2 times 2 equals 1. Therefore, 2 is the multiplicative inverse of 1/2. Now, let's look at the additive inverse. The additive inverse of a number is the value that, when added to the original number, gives us 0. Let's visualize this with 1/2 again. Here's a number line showing positive and negative numbers. Here's 1/2. What number do we need to add to 1/2 to get 0? If we add negative 1/2 to positive 1/2, we get 0. Therefore, negative 1/2 is the additive inverse of 1/2. To summarize, the multiplicative inverse of 1/2 is 2 because 1/2 times 2 equals 1. The additive inverse of 1/2 is negative 1/2 because 1/2 plus negative 1/2 equals 0.